Hello and welcome to part 4 of my abridged tour of the campsite at Abenteuer and Allrad, the largest off-road RV event in the world. The place to come to see rather unusual vehicles which have been designed for, in many cases, environments which are much more extreme than those we have here in Europe. And so what we can see above all are vehicles which have been specially adapted to the conditions which they are to be used in, such as this Hymer on tour, you know, with this Instagram thing. We do of course have vehicles which come off the shelf as well, such as this one here. Or this rather nice Hymer 4x4. But some of the equipment here, for example, this clearly designed for particular off-roading. Now, when I was in the army, where the Land Rover was the piece of kit usually used, and somebody brought up with me yesterday the subject of the lorries which we had then, which were the Bedfords. I haven't seen any of them here, which I think is a good indication of how successful they were as a vehicle. There is, however, plenty of MANs, Steyrs, Mercedes from the German, Swiss and other militaries. Now I need to point out that whereas at a commercial campsite you wouldn't see people this close together as a rule. But here it's slightly different because it's not a commercial campsite. This has been done for this event, and therefore it's in many cases people sort of park next to each other because they know each other. You know, there's a Unimog for sale. Unimog with Iceland logo on it. Now, for those wanting to get away from it all, this is the place to come to, but maybe not to getting away. You are in close contact with other people. But one thing that you can do is you can see the vehicles which will take you out into the middle of nowhere. Oh, there's an old Ford. I suspect that thing's older than I am. Oh, I've got a road pirate wanting to get me to get out the way, and as I've got this thing about not filming children, I might have to stop filming right now. But hey, we'll have a quick look at what we've got here. Oh, it doesn't matter. I'll continue there. The two road pirates have driven off. So there you go. There's a walk around this part of the campsite. It's much bigger than, you may have noticed I went further on, and I changed direction, and so I hope you found that of interest. Thanks for being here, and all the best from me in Bad Kissingen.